Hey there, explorers, let's dive into the amazing world of the human body. Our first stop, anatomy. It's like getting a backstage pass to see how our bodies are put together. Anatomy is all about the different parts, their sizes, and where they hang out. Think of it like studying a detailed map of your body. We're talking bones, muscles, organs, all the cool stuff that makes you, you. Imagine you're piecing together a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece represents a different part of your anatomy. You've got your heart, the champion blood pumper, your lungs, the oxygen-loving duo. And of course, let's not forget your brain, the command center calling the shots. Anatomy helps us understand what these parts are and where they belong in the grand scheme of things. But wait, there's more. Anatomy isn't just about what you can see with your naked eye. It also delves into the microscopic world of cells and tissues. It's like zooming in on that puzzle piece and discovering even more intricate details. From the tiniest cell to the largest organ, anatomy provides the roadmap to understanding our physical selves. Now hold on tight because we're about to hit the gas on physiology. If anatomy is the map, physiology is the engine that makes it all go vroom. It's the study of how all those amazing body parts actually work together. Think of it as the how-to anatomy's what. Let's take breathing as an example. Your lungs, those awesome air sacs, are the stars of this show. Physiology helps us understand how your lungs take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. It explains the teamwork between your respiratory muscles, your brain, and your blood vessels to keep the oxygen flowing throughout your body. But it's not just about breathing. Physiology delves into all the incredible processes happening inside you every second. From your heartbeat to digestion to thinking, physiology unravels the mysteries of how your body's systems interact to keep you alive and kicking. Now, how do we actually unlock these bodily mysteries? Enter the scientific method, our trusty detective toolkit. It's a step-by-step approach that helps us ask questions, make observations, and draw reliable conclusions about the human body. No wild guesses here, folks, just good old-fashioned scientific inquiry. Think of it like baking a cake. You wouldn't just toss ingredients together randomly and hope for the best, right? You'd follow a recipe, carefully measuring and mixing to get that perfect, fluffy result. The scientific method is our recipe for understanding the human body. It starts with an observation or a question. Then we form a hypothesis, a testable explanation. Next comes the fun part, conducting experiments to test our hypothesis. We carefully analyze the results and draw conclusions based on the evidence. It's all about using logic and evidence to understand how things work. What makes something alive? Is it the ability to tell a good joke? While a good sense of humor can be a plus, there are some key characteristics that all living organisms share. First up, we've got organization. Living things are like well-run machines with different parts working together in an organized way. From cells to tissues to organs, there's a hierarchy of order within every living organism. Next, we have the ability to respond to stimuli. Imagine touching a hot stove. Your hand automatically pulls away, right? That's your body responding to a stimulus. Living things can sense and react to changes in their environment. And of course, we can't forget about growth and development. From tiny seeds to towering trees, living organisms grow and change over time. They develop new tissues, organs, and abilities as they mature. Section 5. Building blocks of complexity. Levels of organization. Hold on to your hats because we're about to zoom through the incredible levels of organization within your body. It's like starting with a single Lego brick and building your way up to a magnificent castle. At the tiniest level, we have atoms, the basic building blocks of matter. Atoms come together to form molecules, which then assemble into larger structures called organelles. Think of organelles as the specialized tools within a cell. Moving up the ladder, we have cells, the fundamental units of life. Cells are like miniature factories, carrying out all the essential processes of life. Similar cells team up to form tissues, such as muscle tissue or nervous tissue. Tissues, in turn, work together to create organs like your heart, lungs, or stomach. Each organ has a specific job to do. And finally, all these organs join forces to form organ systems, such as the circulatory system or the digestive system. Section 6. A symphony of systems, major organ systems. Get ready for the main event, the 11 major organ systems. These incredible systems work together like a well-coordinated orchestra to keep your body functioning at its best. First up, we have the circulatory system with your heart as the conductor. This system pumps blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients and removing waste products. Next, the respiratory system takes center stage, with your lungs as the star performers. This system is all about gas exchange, bringing in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. The digestive system is like a food processing plant, breaking down food into nutrients your body can absorb. The nervous system acts as a high-speed communication network, sending signals throughout your body to control movements, thoughts, and sensations. The muscular system allows for movement, while the skeletal system provides support and structure. Section 7. The language of anatomy. Key terms and concepts. To navigate the human body effectively, we need a common language. That's where anatomical terms come in handy. These terms help us describe the location and position of different body parts with precision. We use directional terms to indicate the relative location of one body part to another. For example, superior means above, while inferior means below. Anterior refers to the front, while posterior refers to the back. We also have body planes, which are imaginary flat surfaces that divide the body into sections. The sagittal plane divides the body into left and right halves. The frontal plane divides the body into front and back sections, and the transverse plane divides the body into upper and lower sections. Knowing these terms helps us communicate clearly and accurately about the human body. Section 8. Finding our bearings, anatomical position. Imagine trying to give someone directions using a map that's constantly spinning. That's what it would be like without a standard anatomical position. To avoid confusion, anatomists use a specific reference point when describing the body. Think of a person standing upright, facing forward with their arms at their sides and palms facing forward. This is the anatomical position. It provides a consistent frame of reference regardless of the body's actual position. So even if someone is lying down or twisting around, we always refer back to the anatomical position to describe the location of their body parts. This ensures that everyone is on the same page when discussing anatomy. Section 9. Mapping the body regions, quadrants, and cavities. To make things even easier, we divide the body into regions and quadrants. It's like dividing a map into smaller, more manageable sections. The abdomen, for example, is divided into 9 regions like a tic-tac-toe board. We also have 4 quadrants: upper right, upper left, lower right, and lower left. The body also has cavities, which are spaces that house and protect internal organs. The cranial cavity protects your brain, while the thoracic cavity houses your heart and lungs. The abdominal cavity contains your digestive organs. Understanding these regions, quadrants, and cavities helps healthcare professionals pinpoint the location of pain, injuries, or diseases. It's like having a GPS for the human body.